Hi, in today's video I'm gonna show you how you can get the power from your existing outlet in your bathroom into a new outlet. Hello again. So short video today. Creating new outlet for my bidet and for my new mirror. I need additional outlet, and here's my existing outlet. So connection is pretty easy. You need to run your wires. In my situation, unfortunately, I had to cut out part of the wall because I needed to have proper line going through here, and then this was a closed area, and because of this star I really could not snake anything through, so I had to create a new hole for this plastic protector. You need to snake your cables out. I snaked it out throughout the ceiling, and the exit is right here. And in my situation it's very simple. So in my situation all the lines connect white to white and black to black, so it is pretty simple. So then I need to connect my ground wire, and that's basically it. It's super easy. You just have to remember that when you had a couple of cables, now you have a little bit more. You need to use appropriate cap. So this is a little bit thicker than the one that was here before, and over here I'm gonna put a box, and then I'm gonna run the cables through the hole and connect to my new outlet, and I'll get into that in a second. Alrighty, so now I'm done with my project, running the power from existing outlet in my bathroom and creating a new one. I had similar video, but I was going from the other one side of the wall to the other. But this is how you, what I call, steal the power from one outlet. And in my situation, my outlet runs on a separate circuit than those switches that operate the lights and my fan. So this was a little bit easier. And so again, you need to make sure that when you run the wire, you have enough space. I had to open it because, as you can see, there was no way to get this straight out because I have a little wall over here. So the only way to go would be through this thing, which is impossible. And the only opening was right here, so I had to open it up. Now I know how it is, and hopefully I will never have to open it again. And at the end, if you want to check if you have a power, I have the special meter that checks if there's a power. And now if I wanted to check if there's a power over here, and now there's no power. Why? Because you need to click the reset button, and there's also a green indicator light that now I should have a power. And yes, I do have a power right here. So if you have any questions, send me an email. I'll be more than happy to answer your questions. Thanks for watching, guys. Goodbye.